Diet plans are used for various reasons, and their specific purposes can vary depending on individual goals and health conditions. Here are some common reasons why people use diet plans. 1. Weight management. One of the most common reasons people use diet plans is to manage their weight. Whether someone wants to lose weight, gain weight, or maintain their current weight, a well-structured diet plan can help achieve these goals by controlling calorie intake and nutrient distribution. 2. Health improvement. Diet plans can be designed to improve specific health conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, and gastrointestinal issues. Certain diets, like the DASH diet, dietary approaches to stop hypertension, or the Mediterranean diet, are known for their positive effects on cardiovascular health and overall well-being. 3. Athletic performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often follow specialized diet plans to optimize their performance and support muscle growth, endurance, and recovery. These diets may focus on nutrient timing and macronutrient ratios tailored to individual sports and training regimens. 4. Allergies and intolerances. For individuals with food allergies or intolerances, a diet plan helps identify and eliminate trigger foods while ensuring nutritional needs are met without causing adverse reactions. 5. General health and well-being. Many people use diet plans to promote overall health and well-being, aiming to incorporate a balanced diet that provides essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to support optimal bodily functions. 6. Specific dietary preferences. Vegetarians, vegans, and followers of other dietary lifestyles may use diet plans to ensure they meet their nutritional needs, while adhering to their chosen dietary restrictions. 7. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as celiac disease, require strict adherence to specific diets to manage symptoms and prevent complications. 8. Behavior modification. Diet plans can help individuals develop healthier eating habits, such as portion control, mindful eating, and reducing the consumption of processed and unhealthy foods. It's essential to note that diet plans should be personalized and developed based on an individual's specific needs, goals, and health status. Consulting with a registered dietitian or a qualified healthcare professional is recommended to create a safe and effective diet plan, tailored to an individual's unique circumstances.